So this is how we take the dial off the phone. As you can see, I've already removed the case and the finger stop. If you see here between the 9 and the 0 there is a small hole. You use a straightened out paper clip and you stick it in the hole. Then you rotate the dial all the way around and you push down on the paper clip and then rotate it a little bit more. And voila, the dial comes off. And as you can see, the wheel returned to its normal position. With the dial, to put it back on, you put it on so that the 0 hole is where the 9 is. Push down and turn it back. Voila!